Breadfruit Oildown, a traditional Caribbean classic. And this is going to be today's recipe. For our ingredients, we have coconut milk. Be sure to use coconut milk and not the powdered coconut milk. We have about a pound of salt beef. So I washed this with some lemon, and this is what it looks like, and I boiled it. I have some kingfish. I've soaked it in lemon, cleaned it, and now we're gonna season it with some green seasoning, fresh thyme, fresh garlic, fish seasoning, salt, and we're gonna allow it to marinate until it's ready. You can use any fish for this. The main star of the show, breadfruit, washed, peeled, and diced. Dasheen, washed, peeled, diced. You can use any provision that you want in your oil down, and you can even use breadfruit by itself. So you have 3 green bananas. I've washed, peeled, and cut these up and place them in some water. And now we're gonna head over to our dasheen bush. This is optional, but it's very good to add dasheen bush in your oil down. And we have an array of ingredients that we're gonna add. So let's head over to the pot. We're gonna saute our vegetables, onion, some garlic. This is about 4 or 5 garlic, somewhere around there. I'm gonna give this a good mix. And while that is going, I'm going to release some thyme to spice things up a bit. Now I've added some bell peppers, a little dash of pimento peppers, some carrots, so we have some nice flavors going here. And although the beef is seasoned salted beef, we're going to add it to these aromatics and it's going to take up all the flavors. Dasheen bush. We're going to allow the dasheen bush to melt away. This is a non-stick pan, so they're going to melt away very easily. And I'm trying to make this as dry as I can. Breadfruit oil down is coconut milk. And when you reduce that coconut milk, you get that healthy coconut oil. Now we're going to add our brown provision, breadfruit, etc. Dasheen, banana. And we're going to add our friendly breadfruit into the pot. Now for the coconut milk. And I'm going to get all the coconut cream from the milk in there. Season this up nicely, cover it up, and let it steam away. The last thing we're going to add is the fish. So we're going to add some parsley and some more flavor pepper. Some fish seasoning, because we're putting fish in this oil down. Some all-purpose, just a little bit, and we're gonna add some allspice. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscription button and give this video a thumbs up. And I would really appreciate if you guys can please share this video. These are stuff that I grew up on. I love breadfruit oildown when it's cooked on a fireside, on a wood fire outside. That's the best oildown. That's smokiness. Definitely the best oildown. We're gonna cover this up and allow the breadfruit to steam away and the provision and the starches to be released, and let everything come together. And we're going to add our fish in there. The fish doesn't take very long to cook. You can also fry the fish and add it in the sauce once it's done. Now we're going to season this with some salt. And guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I post some more recipes, you will be the first to know. And let the fish cook. I'm going to let this continue to simmer for about 4 more minutes, and then I'm going to turn it off and let the oils continue to come up and settle for about 20 minutes before I serve it. After 20 minutes, I will show you how much oil you're going to get at the top. The oildown has now been cooled, and as you can see, there's a lot more oil on top the oildown. And here you have it, breadfruit oildown. Be sure to head into my videos and check out some more of my recipes. And that's it for now. See you on another good day for another great recipe. Bye for now.